Today it's Saturday, August 30, 2025, and this is the C63 with the blower here. The guys they finish it. Alright, I had to machine this plate here because the belt was touching, was rubbing against this plate. I'm machining to go a little bit more inside for the idler pull is here. Everything fine. Mr. Derek. Yeah, just don't like the boost reference from here for the methanol. The methanol injection, it's there. I didn't put on the throttles because there is no space. Alright, we cut the air boxes, the dress with the fire protection sleeve, the guys, the pipes, the heat exchanger here front. Fine. You can put also the box over there since you finish. You cut the fuel injectors, so we can start it. Mr. Joe, start it, sir. Ah, so nice. No, because it's firing. Accelerate a little bit. Alright, stop. It's firing. How nice is that? Turn it off. Start again. It had a hiccup. Don't ask me why. I have no clue. Bring the lens from there to put something on the video. This tensioner here, this one, if you push it inside a little bit, see what will gonna happen to the belt. Nope, that's not right there. This is where it's supposed to be. It has plenty of move, the tension there. If you ask me, it's not the proper one. It's not so much precise. Take it, thank you. Alright. What else? Let's see the flow on the ice tank. Don't turn it off, leave it running. Let's see the flow back. 1 second, don't put the number plate. But looking good. The tank is here. Fine. All right. I'm gonna steal it, sir. I'm gonna take it. I installed the steering wheel how many months ago? I remember, yeah. It was in 2025, right? Yeah. So, Mr. Jimmy, it's not been tuned, just only it's been coated the injectors, right? Just to run.
Just so we can check the car.
Yeah. It's just been coated to start with these injectors, but not tuned. You start the AC?
Heater on.
Ah. The heater. Yeah, okay, alright, fine. Alright, that's it. A small video. Just, you put also the tag here?
Customer reports.
Alright, fine. Anything else? Cut scan. Can you turn a little bit left, right, the steering wheel? Alright, okay. Okay, stop. As soon as it's not complaining the power steering pump, we're happy. We're good. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. You want to add something, Mr. Omar? I love you too. You have to put the air ducts and all these things?
He don't have this one, the original one. Buy this one.
Ah, he has a carbon fiber one.
Carbon one is shorter. I already informed you yesterday.
Fine. Mr. Derek, can we do something about this pipe? to crimp at least one like this, or to pass it under.
Okay, I'll pass it from down.
See what's better, or to pass it, let us say, behind, you know, to don't be like that here, if you can, sir. That's it. Whee! Alright, fine. Fine. That's it. Thank you.